Hi folks, welcome to this lovely sunny February morning. Fortunately, yep, it is Monday. Like most of us, you've got to go to work. But the sun's up. Let's have a bit of fun on the way. There's one or two people that are new to the channel. Welcome aboard. Hope you enjoy it. And if you are just popping along and you see something that you like, remember to always hit the old subscribe button. So this year, the Keep It Upright team got a couple of new pieces of metal knocking around, which we should be unveiling in the near future, all being well. As mentioned, Jason has got rid of the trusted R1 and he has purchased a lovely blue MT-07. So we'll see how that fares, and no doubt that's going to be one of the steeds that's going to take us far away, different places. Doris has been in for some surgery. She's had a full fettling and is running sweet in her full glory. Another participant should be who is coming along with us this year on our trip is old Reg, old friend of ours. He has recently purchased a later Phaser 600. Seems to be a bit of a thing going on here. And Neil, well, he's a little bit different. He's got a problem with his foot, so he's had to buy something that allows him to ride, and he has gone for, ta-da, the T-Max 500. So there you go. Vicky, as good as gold, she'll be there with me, myself, yours truly. I'm really looking forward to our week away in June. One or two bogs out this morning, don't blame them. There you go, just a quick update to what's going on with us on our channel and what's likely to be happening in the near future. Should be getting out to Wales one of the days soon. All the team have got the bikes. So there you go. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel or you're interested in what's going to pop up, always remember to hit the subscribe. Remember, spread the love. Give it the old share. Because if you're enjoying it, I bet you know somebody else that might. So from me, on this beautiful Monday morning, I'll catch you later. And keep it upright.